Hey, groovy guys and gals, this is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating units sent in. This is out of a Zenith floor console. It's just the 8-track portion out of a Zenith floor console. Most of them just 4 screws, they come right out, a couple of plugs, they unplug, so they're usually pretty easy to remove and send in for repair. So this one's from Andy in, looks like Fruita, Colorado, Fruita, Fruita, Colorado, and we're just doing a quick final test, make sure everything works. So let's go ahead and pop a tape in. Got some Temptations on deck here. And you can see the meters responding to the left and right outputs. Gonna change tracks a bunch of times. My reason for living, and you won't even tell me why.
Hungry, but you forgot to bring something to eat.
Oh, lost but no money, you start to cry. Feel the legs, tranquilizing, getting deeper in there. You better leave. Just alone.
Okay, that's between songs, looks like. Alrighty, so that's shows that the unit is working properly, and she's ready to go back to the customer. Thank you very much for your business, Andy, and you will find my website and phone number in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.